You did the brave part, you left. Now comes the sacred part, rebuilding. This is where your silence turns into strength, where your peace becomes your power move, where your absence speaks louder than your explanations. The right people won't need you to shrink to fit. They'll rise to meet your new frequency or get left behind. Because you're not hard to love. They were just unequipped to hold on to somebody like you. Growth can feel lonely at first, but that's just the sound of alignment clicking into place. Remember, you didn't lose them, you found you. So stop mourning versions of yourself that you outgrew. That's not loss, that's evolution. Let them talk, let them misunderstand, because peace doesn't need defending, it needs protecting.